Prem was a young male when he sustained an injury to his right leg in a bike accident. He lost a significant segment of bone at the accident site. After undergoing multiple surgeries, his leg was saved at another hospital. Although amputation was initially avoided, the leg became severely infected, and the possibility of future amputation arose. Seeking another opinion, he was referred to us. At the time of presentation, there was a severe infection, and an 8 centimeter segment of bone was missing. We initiated bone regeneration from the proximal healthy bone. After 13 months of intensive follow-up, Prem returned to his normal life. The fracture had united, and he regained normal limb function and length.